fuck? Jesus fucking Christ. What the fuck is this thing, man? What the fuck is this? Somebody sent this in the fucking mail to me 2 days ago. I've been fucking gone for 10 days, man. Penny's been laid up for 10 days. Like, fuck. Jesus Christ, man. I don't dare open this. I don't dare open this, man. I'll turn into a fucking Cenobite. I need a broken. Jesus Christ. We'll talk about this later. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Got my fucking brewskis, man. Holy shit, man. I've been gone for fucking 10 days, man. I come back and this fucking shit is in the fucking mail, man. In the fucking mail waiting for me. I don't know who the fuck sent it. I had a feeling that fucking Karen Rich sent it. Quality Market and, fucking, with that other fucking supermarket lines and everything. Oh my God, and Musty and Krusty the Rice Brothers. They all fucking sent this to me. Apparently they want me to be a fucking Pennyhead or something. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it's so mesmerizing. I must open this. But how do you open this? Oh my God. Oh my God. No, there's goddamn women back here. They want me to open it too. Kara, Gloria, Jean, Amy, and I don't know the other fucking there's too many of them. Fucking cat food wants me to open this. Or cat foods or something like that. Holy shit. Joey, who works somewhere up there. Holy fucking shit, man. Holy shit. Apparently they think I look really good with pins sticking out of my face. Hey, as a matter of fact, that might not be a bad fucking idea. I need a frozen. Ooh, I haven't been around for fucking 10 days. Woo! I think this fucking soundtrack is from the fucking Hellraiser fucking movie series or something, man. It's fucking creepy, man. It's like some kind of fucking asylum shit or hell or something like that. Oh, I just keep getting mesmerized by this. Oh, it keeps drawing me closer and closer to the opening portal to the Cenobite world. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. It just beckons me to open it up, man. Oh, yeah, look at that. Woo! Let's see if I can just rub it. Get it to open up. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I think some movement's happening. I'm not really sure. Or maybe that my fucking wiener. Oh, I have to kiss it. Apparently you have to kiss the Cenobite cube in order to make it work. I'm gonna put this down before it sucks me in. Oh, and starts fucking ripping me apart with fucking chains and shit. Jesus Christ. I need my teeth, man. Fucking teeth. Oh, it's the only thing that calms me fucking down, folks. It's been about 10 days since I fucking did one of these goddamn podcasts. Oh my God. Well, I think all those supermarket chains want to turn me into a fucking Cenobite. They get rid of me. I think that's what's going on. I think it's a conspiracy. Oh yeah. That's the chatter from the Hellworld series or the Hellraiser series. Remember that guy who just fucking chattered the whole time? Well, that's fucking him right there. Right there. And I have his fucking teeth. He can't have me back. Fuck it. Oh, man, I look really good. Holy shit. Fucking Karen Amy back there, man. Are fucking laughing at me. Fucking her back there is fucking hoping I open the fucking box so he can take over the podcast studio. I think that's what's going on here. I'm the king, the leader. All these fuckers want my job. Me and Butcher up against The forces of evil here. Jesus Christ. Oh. Yeah. He's gonna get my fucking podcast studio. I'll fucking turn into Pinhead #2 and fucking whip them all apart with chains and hooks and turn them into some kind of a ghastly Cenobite creature or something. Fuck yeah. I need a stogie. Jesus Christ, man. Fucking stogie's the only thing that fucking calms me down, along with my fucking brewskis. Jesus Christ, man. I'm in a fight for my life. But I do look good. Holy shit. Oh my God, man. I don't know what the fuck's going on, man. All these people that live around me are trying to get rid of me. All the supermarket chains. All the people, my fucking neighbors. They're all fucking Cenobites. They're all fucking Cenobites, man. They want to make me a Cenobite. Fuck you. They want me to fucking rip people's arms off and shit like that. And I don't know what the fuck. This fucking disgusting, man. I don't even want to fucking see this. Fucking musty and crusty like the Rice Brothers, man. Those fuckers are really Cenobites. They have fucking masks on to make them look normal. But they're really fucking Cenobites. Same with everybody in these supermarket chains. Oh, they're terrible. They're terrible, man. I'm fucking living in the real fucking hell here, man. Real hell. Where's my fucking horn, man? The fucking horn. Listen to that fucking music, man. Fucking downstairs trying to fucking drive me nuts. They're trying to get me a truck for being a fucking Cenobite. I say, fuck you. I'll fucking shove this up your fucking ass with one of my fucking hands. Yeah, this sounds kind of disgusting, but I might just do it anyway. I might do it anyway. Might curl my fucking hair, man. I need something to eat. Fuck yeah, man. I'm all fucking hyped up on fucking speed or something, man. I'm a fucking drug addict. About to become a fucking Cenobite. Oh my God. Well, this fucking neighborhood sucks, man. I got all these crappy ass fucking supermarket chains around me. There's like fucking 5 of them. They all suck. This whole fucking area sucks, man. This is fucking hell world in this fucking area, man. Hell world. Apparently there's gonna be a fucking turf war here in the podcast studio, man. Apparently, all these fuckers behind me, except my brother Butcher and Freddy, are gonna fucking be coming after us, man. They all want us to become Cenobites. I think they're fucking Cenobites. I know they're Cenobites. They want me. They want me out of the fucking picture. They want Butcher out of the picture. They want fucking Kara out of the picture. They want fucking Freddy out of the picture, so they all can take over, man. Amy and all those ones up there. Fucking Amy, man. Fucking Amy's the worst, man. She is fucking just vicious. She looks like a fucking mannequin, a pale mannequin, man. Oh, I've seen some pictures of her lately. It's fucking freaky. I think she's got a fucking fake skin on or something. Same with Gloria. Oh, yeah. This music is, fuckers downstairs in the fucking basement are fucking just torturing the hell out of me and Butcher and Freddy and anybody else who wants to take our fucking side in this fucking turf war, apparently. There's gonna be a fucking turf war. Jesus Christ. Fucking turf war, man. It's my fucking studio. There should be no turf war. I make all the fucking rules. I make them all. I control everybody. Apparently, except my head. My head just has a fucking mind of its own, man. It just kind of goes in every fucking direction that it fucking wants to. Woo! I need a fucking stroke. I need to have some strokes here. Sorry, folks. I gotta shake my head so I have some fucking strokes, and maybe I can just turn into a Cenobite right here and everybody be happy, and then I can just kind of go around in the basement and thrash people with hooks and chains. I don't know, fuck. Apparently that's what the fucking Cenobites do, man. They turn people into fucking Cenobites, and they fucking basically want everybody to be kind of looking like them, and kind of hell on world, hell on earth, or some shit like that. I'm so pissed. I don't know what the fuck's going on, folks. I've been gone for fucking 10 days, man, and all this shit's fucking just going down, man. I can't believe this shit's going down. Fucking people are making these fucking weird ass videos, in the dark, and, when I'm gone, I came back and it's like they took over my fucking podcast studio. Butcher can't even be found. He's fucking shitting his pants running around town. He stayed away from the podcast studio. Apparently he's worried about being a Cenobite, so me, Freddy, and Butcher gotta band together and fight these motherfuckers, man, because they're all fucking coming after us, man. Son of a bitches. Worthless son of a bitches. God damn, my hair is like a fucking rat's nest, man. I swear there's baby rats in my fucking hair, man. They're fucking matting it up and tangling it and everything, man. It's fucking terrible. It's fucking terrible, man. That's why I said, you fuckers are trying to control me, Butcher, and Freddy, man. Make it happen. Make it happen. Especially that fucking Butcher back there. Son of a bitch. God damn it, man. I need to crack open another fucking brewski, man. My fucking patience is getting really fucking thin here, man. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do, man. I don't fucking this goddamn fucking folks, this goddamn music down there that they're piping upstairs into my podcast studio. It's really fucking creepy, man. They're fucking trying to get me primed for their fucking world of Cenobites or something. Jesus Christ. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Oh, I love these things, man. Uh-oh. Oh no. The fucking box is beckoning me back to it, man. I must pick it up. It's telling me to pick it up. Pick it up and keep trying to open it up. I must resist. I have to resist. It's the only way to save my fucking soul. Oh man, I can feel it moving, man. There's something inside. There's something inside, man. God damn it. I can't stop touching it. I'm a pervert. God damn fuck. Oh, fucking son of a bitch. Oh, look at the shiny gold cover, man. Oh my god. Oh, I wanna just rub it. Oh, I think that fucking Jesse and Rusty sent this fucker to me along with all these other people. They just want me to fucking go. Just fucking go. So they can make their own fucking videos here and have me recommitted to the insane asylum like I was for 4.5 fucking years. Oh, look at that. Oh, I felt it open. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I felt some movement. That wasn't my fucking deck either. I don't have a fucking deck. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Next time you see me, it might be a fucking Cenobite, man. I can't stop touching this fucking thing. Oh god. Oh, I'm fucking doomed. I'm fucking doomed. It's gonna sit on my fucking table all night and just wiggle and beckon me towards it. Holy shit. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god! I felt some movement. Jesus Christ. I better fucking throw this shit in the fucking river, man. See, it's moving. It's fucking moving. It's trying to get out. Force me inside of it. Holy shit. I gotta put it down. I gotta put this down. Oh my god, I gotta put this down. This is terrible. It's fucking terrible, man. I'm fucking petrified. That really. God. At least my booze will keep me fucking, thinking clearly. I need some fucking pineapple chunks or something here. Jesus Christ. It's the only thing that, I gotta have some pineapple chunks, man. God damn it. Ooh, let's have one, man. If I can get it in my fucking mouth. Apparently not. I better get a baby one. That one I think is better. It fucking sucks. What a waste of $6. I got that up in that fucked up store up on, here in fucking, where the fuck do I live? I don't even fucking know where the fuck. They don't have some of those high quality Kowalski's food. It was like a little lunch bag, man, with all kinds of goodies in it, man. Better than that fucking pineapple chunk shit. I have to break this open one of these days and chew something for you. Fuck yeah. Oh my God. I don't know what the fuck to do, folks. I'm fucking doomed. My soul is fucking, is going to be possessed by fucking Clive Barker and, the Hell World Cenobites, and, I'm fucking screwed. I'm drunk though, I don't fucking care. You know, I'll be fucking, whatever. Ooh. Jesus Christ, man. I'm already fucking drunk. I'm ready to give my soul to the Cenobites. I just might do that, man. I might just fucking just give my soul and my for eternity to the Cenobites in Pinhead. I might have to do that, man. I haven't been here for 10 fucking days, but I look fucking beautiful, don't you think? I got everything going straight, man. I've been fucking just institutionalized for 10 fucking days, man. Fuck, man. I come back and there's all fucking kind of hell is breaking loose, man. It's fucking weird. Okay, that's better. I got the belches out. Oh my God, I might have to go on a fucking drunk bend again for about 5 days just to forget about all my problems and the fucking Cenobites and everything, and all those fuckers in the area want to fucking turn me into a fucking Pinhead clone or some shit like that, man. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to sit here and just comb my fucking hair. Son of a bitch. Except I still am the most beautiful clown on the fucking internet. No fucking doubt about it. Just look at this. Look at this. This is 100% class. All you other fucking clowns, you can't even fucking come close to me. I kick your ass any time of the week, man. In fucking beauty. Yeah, I'm the fucking best. Oh yeah. I gotta get going, man. I'll be back in a couple days, maybe even tomorrow night. I think Butcher's gonna come and do a fucking podcast thing tomorrow night, man. I think he's in the fucking house somewhere. He's fucking taking a shit somewhere. I don't know where, but I gotta get going, and we'll see you guys very soon. And don't forget to try to open your Cenobite box. It's very important. You can join me in the Cenobite world, okay? Look into the box. Look into the box. You know you want to.